Okay, so this is the long overdue review of the Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 50. So this will be the start of its third cutting season, and as you can see, we have almost 125 hours on it, and I'll have to tell you, I am quite impressed that entry-level zero turn does such a nice job. It handles slopes pretty good. No complaints about the cut quality. And it rides decent, you know, for not having a suspension. And after 3-4 hours, whatever it takes to cut the 4 acres, I'm not that beat up. The seat's pretty comfortable. So yeah, overall I am very impressed. With it. If you want to nitpick, it could use a fuel gauge, even if it's the floater type on the cap, to tell you, just so you have a ballpark estimate, because as you can see, the gas is right to there, but you can't really tell that. Oh, here it is right there. So like I said, you know, even if it had like a clear strip or something, that would be nice. Also, it would be nice if there was a shut-off valve right here for the gas line, so when you're changing out the filter, it'd be nice to be able to shut that off so your gas doesn't come running out. I'm gonna add one on when I do the service here in a couple of days. And the only thing that has happened, this bolt fell out of the hitch. No big deal, don't tow anything with it anyways, and that is it. Some people on YouTube have said something about a deck vibration. I've gone where 6 mowings without cleaning the deck just to see if I can get a vibration out of there, and not at all, no vibration whatsoever. As I went online, because I plan on keeping her for quite a while, so went online and scored some goodies. I've got 12 oil filters. I've got 6 NGK spark plugs, 6 of them. We got 5 new air filters and 2 sets of blades. Went online, Amazon, trying to find the lowest price of all this stuff, and I will put that in the description on the next video. And also I got a 12-pack of Sten's 10W40 engine oil. I'd give it a bigger thumbs up if I had a bigger thumb. but definitely 5 stars plus. Quite impressive for an entry level zero turn. Thanks for watching.